Today y'all, Royal Purple Max Clean and Royal Purple Max Blast. Do they actually work to clean fuel injectors and intake valves with bad carbon buildup on a direct injection engine? You see, we're going inside this engine to look at the intake valves with plenty of carbon buildup. Well, can't wait for you guys to see these results. You're definitely going to be excited. The instructions state to remove the air filter, start the car, allow the engine to reach operating temperatures, then raise the RPMs up to about 2,000 to not exceed 3,000 RPMs. I use a seat and a piece of pipe. You want to insert the straw past the mass airflow sensor before you start spraying. This car, however, does not have a mass airflow sensor. I'm holding the straw outside of the air intake boot for you guys to see the spray pattern. We also test port injection vehicles that have bad valve gunk as well. If there's something that you would like to see in one of our upcoming videos, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment below letting us know what you want to see next. You can see in this video or one of our previous videos, we have a very high quality oil catch can, and it does greatly reduce the carbon buildup, but routine maintenance is very necessary for carbon buildup issues, or if you just want increased horsepower or gas mileage. When the can is empty, drop your idle back down to normal, shut off your engine. We're taking a look at the intake valves while they're heat soaking for 1 hour. As you can see, the Royal Purple is soaking on them. So we'll reinstall everything in the reverse order that we had taken it apart. Then we'll take it on a highway drive for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll come back, look at the valves in a side-by-side comparison. Royal Purple Max Clean is the best fuel system cleaner. Just check out the video where I tested it on fuel injectors and so much more. Guys, if you'd like to find out more information on this Royal Purple product, just check the link in the description below, or if you'd like to know where to find it. As you can see, there's definitely some carbon reduction. I was really shocked with this one. Well, thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.